Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand regression testing. How AI can complement the rule-based automation of regression testing. Did the change break anything that was already working? Maybe we added a new column. Maybe we changed the transformation logic. Maybe we refactored a pipeline. Regression testing reruns existing checks to make sure the old functionality still works. The difficulty is that as the test suite grows, deciding what to run becomes expensive. So traditionally, what we do is, if you have some 1,000 test cases, we will choose the most important test cases in that and run them manually. And also in the whole process, keep updating the unexpected results if there is any changes in the systems. As I indicated, as and when the test suite grows, it is so difficult to choose which one is the right candidate for the regression. As we know from last couple of decades, we already know the regression tests are being automated. There are so many automation tools for testing the regression. The traditional automation can execute the complete regression suite very reliably. It can rerun the same checks and compare the results automatically. But it often runs everything every time. So there is no doubt rule-based automation is strong for consistent, repeatable execution. It is very reliable, and we have been using it for ages. So then where AI can add a value? AI can add a value for the impact analysis. It can identify which downstream components are affected by a change. Select the most relevant tests. Recommend updates to stale test cases. And prioritize the failures based on a likely business impact. So again, especially in this case, we know that regression has been, suits are automated for ages and it is working beautifully. So AI is definitely not replacing the regression test execution or regression automation, but it may help which tests matter most for this particular change.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.